Hey, here's a popular body style that you need, especially in classics. 1967 Chevrolet Malibu. Two-door hardtop or two-door sport coupe. Now, first off, underneath the hood, according to the previous owners of this 383 stroker, that is paired up with a turbo hydromatic 350 automatic transmission. It does have aluminum Patriot heads on it, HEI ignition, light cam. We're going to fire it up here in a little bit so you can hear it run. Technician that drove this car did a little inspection on it for our shop and the salespeople here to have for reference. So technician has driven it and stated this car goes down the road very nice. Power steering, power brake equipped car. Let you take a look at the grille, front bumper. As you can see, chrome, nice shape, headlight surrounds, bright work, looking good up front. Now if you note the hood, looks like we got an SS hood on there. Dressed up a little bit. 136 VIN car though, FYI. As you can see, riding on a chrome torque thrust style wheel. BF Goodrich radials, and paint shows nice. Has had a repaint along the way somewhere. It's kind of medium blue, similar to like Le Mans blue. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the interior of this car, check out the undersides. Trunk, engine bay, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Should go ahead and take a look. Interior, so black vinyl. Does have a little later model, kind of a sport bucket seat to it, and when we get around to the other side I'll show you that little bolster to it. Looks like a B&M shifter. On the floor, a little aftermarket gauge cluster underneath the dash. You can see the car looks nice and straight up and down the passenger side there. Take a look at the chrome, rear bright work in the back. As you can see, we have dual exhaust exiting the rear. There is also cutouts in this car, electrically controlled. I'm going to show you how those work when we start it up, let you hear it run both ways too. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Take a peek down the driver's side of this car, and also in the still pictures you'll be able to see pics of the trunk. Again, engine bay, underside, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Let's go ahead and pop this driver's door. Take a look at this interior. Let's see the back seat one more time. Free of rips, tears, holes. And again, like I said, you have a little more of a bolster on a late model sports type seat in this. Wipers do work, horn works, gas gauge does work. It was completely full. Technician, when he went for the spin in it, went to put a little gas in to see if the gauge was accurate, and yeah, it is a full tank of gas. Aftermarket tack on the steering column. Now let's go ahead and start this up. Previous owner said it takes us a little bit to get it warmed up too. It's got a mild cam to it, so that's very believable. While we're waiting for it to warm up, I'll show you the wipers. Work fine. A little later model retro sound style radio. That works. It may be got a microphone too, so it could be possibly Bluetooth compatible. We'll play around with that a little bit and check. Your aftermarket gauges, voltmeter, water temp, and oil pressure. Now, right here is going to be your switch for those cutouts. So I'm going to slip around to the back. Right now they're obviously closed. Take a look at this dash. It's a nice shape. It's idling fine, warmed up. Check this out, slip around to the back here. Nice little deep throaty growl to it. Alright, let's go in. Now let's open reverse this up. And there you can hear the exhaust note change. Oops, sorry about that. You get a little rumble coming out of that. V8 underneath the hood. So again, you can run it either way. Open them up, you want a little more noise. Shut them up if you want to quiet them down. I think what I'm going to do is shut them back down. We'll pop this hood, check it out, wind up this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Nice tidy engine bay here. You get power steering, power brakes. Looks like a newer master cylinder. Does have 2 electric puller fans. HEI ignition. Metal block intake, poly card. Again, headers, Patriot aluminum heads. 2 previous owners. Rated There you go, and as you can hear, I closed up those cutouts again. 1967 Chevelle Malibu 2-door hardtop. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.